Welcome to New York.
New York, it's good to be in you.
Huh?
It's good to be in you.
Welcome to New York.
Mobile data's off.
From 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 to the world.
Mobile data.
From 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣 to the world. New York, I'm here.
So when I visited my friends in Toronto, we decided to drive to New York, which is about an hour and a half away. We just went for a few hours just to do a bit of shopping. It was a very good road trip. I wish I had taken more videos or better videos, but just didn't think of it at the time. But I'm hoping when I go back, we'll do the trip again and I'll take better videos. But yeah, it was such good fun to just drive to New York in 1.5 hours. We were there and we stayed there for 3 hours, did our shopping, bought some wine, bought a few clothes, and we came back.
Like seriously, what is the point in washing your car when the weather is like this? Does it make any sense? As you wipe, it gets wet. As you wipe, it gets wet. And as soon as you drive off, it's going to be dirty. Cindy, why do your people do this?
I don't know. It's cleanliness. People love their cars. They love the weather. Snow, rain, shine, freezing rain. This guy is washing the car. He's wiping it down, but he's wiping it outside where it's raining on top of the car.
I'd be to it.
Okay, go.
Thank you to our driver Sheldon for bringing us all the way to New York. These people, where do they say they live? Like they live in Canada.
No, they live in New York.
They can walk to Canada though.
They can. They can cross the border.
They should just be automatically given dual citizenship.
They probably do have it.
They can go to Canada and buy their bread.
Why? This costs less here. It costs less here.
Just go there every morning.
The thing is that people who live close to the border on the Canadian side come to this side to buy groceries.
Is it?
Yes, because it's less expensive.
Yeah, Canada is expensive. That's what I've noticed.
Yes.
It's very expensive. It's shopping time of clock. We are ready to shop. New York, paying good prices, not the rubbish prices. They make us stay at home.
Watch your step.
That's it.
Fashion outlets of Niagara, US.
Look at that mountain of snow. Just. Take me 3 days.
Are those the same ones you're wearing?
Yeah. Go in.
Same ones you're wearing? Yeah.
Oh wow, so they're water resistant.
Yeah. And these ones have the rubber seal like mine does.
I'm just trying to prove you wrong, so I'm going to stay here even if it takes me a week. The shoe's going to get wet.
Well, I'm pretty sure it only lasts for 4 hours submerged. So it's not going to take that long. Your arms might get a little tired.
But it's a rubber seal, but mom.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
It's good though, very good quality.
Yeah. Huh, that's interesting.
So now when I see people wearing Timberlands and they wet and they have all those scarves from the water, and I'm like, China Mall.
Kali.
19 crimes.
Mm-hmm.
The Banished. And the Double Trouble. We stopped over in Buffalo, and we are in this huge wine place. It's huge. It's too big. I don't like being given too much choice because I get too confused.
Take a picture of the Argentine reserve over there.
Also, that's vanilla stuff in there. And now this is the Premier Reserve section. That's where the real makoyas are kept. This one I would never throw away the bottle. Like, why should you?
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker.
It's 1,099.
That's like how much? About 19,000 rands.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Imagine you buy it and someone, look at this one. You buy it, you keep it, and then one day you decide, let me drink my beautiful alcohol, and someone's just swapped it with coffee.
$1,200 US.
That's just too much money.
It's a big entry.
Huh?
You have to look
Or you need someone to take you in.
everything in there is
Like 99.
everything is up to $100 in there. Some 69 in there, but these guys, I saw these prices before. Same.
Yeah.
Vintage. The most I've seen is $1,300.
The bottle is beautiful.
How do they put it in?
It's with the bottle on top of
Yeah, that's what
it. Oh, it has a pear inside.
Wow.
That is sick. Look at that. Look at this, babe.
It's a pear?
It's a pear. It just grew right inside. So there's the stalk. We grew the pear in the bottom.
Can you put it down? I want to also take a picture.
I'm putting it back.
Wow. There's the fish that was over 2,000 rands.
Where is it? Oh, the one, yes. Wow.
Take me 3 days.
Are those the same ones you're wearing?
Other water to go in.
Same ones you're wearing?
Oh, wow. So they're water resistant.
Yeah. And these don't even have the rubber seal like mine does.
I'm just trying to prove you wrong, so I'm going to stay here even if it takes me a week. The shoe's going to get wet.
Well, I'm pretty sure it only lasts for 4 hours submerged. So it's not going to take that long. Your arms might
Wow.
get a little tired.
But it's a rubber seal on the bottom.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
It's good though, very good quality.
Yeah. Huh. That's interesting.
So now when I see people wearing Timberlands and they wet and they have all those scarves from the water, I'm like, China Mall.